For this process, you will need the following tools: a 5.5mm socket driver. To change the extruder driver, first turn the printer off and disconnect the power cable for safety reasons. Remove the two thumb nuts from the back of the printer and take off the extruder cover. Open the clip and disconnect the flat cable. Carefully disconnect the filament runout sensor cable and the motor's driver cable as well. Use a socket driver to remove the driver nuts. Make sure to keep the washers. Install the new driver together with the washers and nuts. Reconnect all the cables, making sure that they are positioned correctly. If you would like to know how to connect the flat cable correctly, check the link in the description. Place the extruder cover back in the original position.